Europa League, and it makes sense. Tottenham, the way that we are structured, the way that we are run, we are risk adverse. Do you think Daniel Levy and the Tottenham board would have said, okay, Postecoglou, you just go for the Europa League and you can forgo the league? Because they be thinking, if this brother flops that Europa League, we are dead, like fully dead. So I know he didn't get the backing of the Spurs faithful, and he was just fortunate to go over the line. Look, Northside, I think you need to be impressed with the fact that Tell ain't coming. Tottenham are not buying any players until we resolve our managerial situation.
That's what I was going to ask you. What is the managerial situation?
Yeah, bro, look, the writing was on the wall, bro. This is like poetic justice. If you've ever seen that movie, it's got that brother that did their Gangster's Paradise in it, Coolio. He's gone, bro. He's gone. I'm sorry, bro. Ange, there's a lot of Tottenham fans. There's a lot of Tottenham fans that are probably beefing me right now. But the fact of the matter is, we couldn't overlook the 22 L's that we took this season, bro. Like, even me, as shameless as I've been, and I will continue to be up until the new season starts. The truth is, bro, 22 defeats is still 22 defeats, even if you say it quick. So we can't look past that, my guy. It's the truth. So he has to go, because what we won't do is an Eric Ten Hag situation. Just because you won a trophy, it's gonna somehow buy you extra time, only for you to confirm what we already knew. You're not good enough. We've seen since the Chelsea game in season 23-24 that Postecoglou isn't that guy. Our form has been consistent like this for the past 18 months, not just this season, 18 months. So I'm not ready to waste a month, 2 months, 3 months of what we know. We will go into the beginning. If we start next season with Postecoglou, I would be very surprised if Tottenham win 3 of their first 10 games. And if we don't win 3 of our first 10 games under this brother, then you know for the rest of the season, we're in a relegation scrap. And I'm not here for that when I'm supposed to be playing Champions League football. I'm not here for that.
You are linked with something.
You're going to buy what you need to do to win.
No. I asked you first. Do you think you're going to get 7 players this summer? Do you think Daniel Levy is going to bring out a checkbook and is going to actually give you guys up to nearly 300 million pounds, 250, 300 million pounds to go get players? Because your players don't have sale value right now. So I don't see you getting anything less than, bro, I'm not sure you can get up to 100 million pounds if you sell your players. No market value for them. So do you think Daniel Levy is going to bring out 300 to 250 G's to go say, hey, take 7 players on a platter of gold to any manager who's down there? Forget about Ange.
Since this is an informative show, we've just got word from Tottenham Hotspur this evening that we have a war chest of 300 mil to spend. So hold that.
War chest. I mean, not side. I mean, that's your word. War chest. I mean, that guy, he literally stole this from Northside word book. I mean, guys, you know, Northside, right? He likes that wordplay. I mean, war chest. I mean,
that's what the top
you think Tottenham has a war chest?
How much is the war chest, Deji? How much is the war chest?
300 mil.
300, yeah?
Yeah.
And what are the positions? So you're not getting no defenders, no?
We can get 6 players at 50 mil a piece.
Okay, just quickly, which pack to come to the club? Just quickly.
I wouldn't mind a Murillo from Nottingham Forest. I think he can do that left-sided bit and be cover for Van der Ven, or even challenge Van der Ven. I quite like Danzo.
Guehi?
Yeah, but I think he's been linked with Chelsea or Newcastle. But yeah, he would have been perfect. But
it's your club, innit? It's your club. You just wanted your
No, but you're asking me questions. I'm happy to answer the questions, Playboy. On the wing.
Oh my days, Deji. Guys, give it up. Guys, you have to smash the like buttons, guys. Smash the like button. I mean, guys, aren't you entertained? Dejispurs, me, Northside. Come on, guys. Aren't you entertained? Come on, guys. Smash the like button.
It's the best in the Champions League versus the best in the Europa League. the two best teams in Europe are like.
You're getting caught by PSG. And
Oh my days, man.
you know
I
that.
think we win. I think we beat them.
Huh? Say that again.
I mean, Dejispurs,
Wait.
I might start counting the Community Shield, bro. I might start counting the Community Shield. I mean, come on, bro. What are you talking about? Super Cup?
Who's winning it? Who's winning it then?
Tottenham.
Tottenham are winning.
We're gonna win a trophy before the season starts. Hold that. Why are you laughing? You weren't expecting me to be here. You told when I told Northside.
That thinks PSG is Man United.
Let me remind you. I said to you, and you've not apologized. I said Tottenham is more likely to win a trophy before Arsenal. Remember that?
Yeah.
And you laughed in my face.
You were correct.
No, not that. It's possible for them to win it.
You were correct, yeah.
PSG might still be on hangover. I mean, after the old drinking, binge drinking, and everything. They might just.
Let me just say this, yeah. Let me just tell you this: you're not facing Man United, bro. You're facing PSG, bro. You're gonna get cooked. And you know what he's gonna do? When he gets cooked in the Super League, he'll be like, "Yeah, but my club has won a trophy this season." That's what he's gonna do. He's gonna be shameless, like he never said. Tottenham are gonna win it.
Oh my
I know
days,
you, bro.
Well, can I just tell you?
We're not gonna hear the end of it, bro.
Can I go one step further? When Tottenham win the Super Cup, that counts as my trophy for the season. Hold that.
No, oh my days, man. Oh my days, bro. Deji is the most shameless. He's one of the most shameless, bro.
You know what he's trying to do?
Bro,
you know what? It's calm. It's calm. You ain't winning anyway. I don't really care. You ain't winning anyway.
So if I win the Super Cup and I finish fourth in the Prem, that's a good season.
See, he's trying to lower the expectation of winning the champs and the Prem because he knows he ain't gonna win it. I want the Super Cup.
Oh my days, man. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. And it's all caused by Mikel Arteta.
You're Marlon
Arteta is the cause.
You're Marlon from the wire.
Both you and Tony. Who gets further in the Champions League?
I don't care. I care about
bro, he's not doing this. He's not doing this.
I don't care.
Deji, are you taking the piss now?
Okay,
oh my days.
Okay. Don't worry, Dej. We got further than you in the Champions League Cup. I care about the actual trophy. I don't care about that.
Are you? So you're not? Are you winning it this season coming up?
You know we're not going to.
Who's going to be closer to it, me or you?
We were closer to winning it, Cup. That's what we're doing.
Oh my days, man.
And you
man.
Gooners, but you're sounding like one right now.
I'm not.
You're trying to shake your bum violently for not achieving, but we got a bit closer than you. Come on, is that a flex?
Bro, my man. I mean,
if you can do that, then Top Gooners can celebrate finishing second in the league. Then same difference.
We
got further than you. We got further than you.
There's a lot of Top Gooners that enjoy finishing second. There's this brother here called Jay Greens. He loves it.
Jay Green. Big ups to Jay Green.
On this show, it appears that I'm not the madman that Northside slightly on one or two shows tried to make out. There was a show where I told him and Lee that Spurs were more likely to win a trophy than Arsenal.
You got that right. Yeah.
And they both laughed.
Got that right.
And the way they laughed, it had a little...
Yeah, they laughed at you.
And there was almost like they were squealing as well. It was very shameless. And
Northside does that perfectly, man.
You know what I mean? And I do one. We all know about it. So I'm not going to let Northside do this little tackling thing that he likes to do as his sort of defense mechanism when I'm telling him that it's going to be my club that is going to be challenging for the league or the Champions League. Hold that.
Are you going to win it?
Well, can I use your metric?
What do you mean, my metric? Tell me what my metric is.
Your metric. It's important to win a trophy, any trophy, because it brings a winning mentality. And I'm not going to lie. For the past 2 weeks, all I've wanted is more. I can't even lie to you. Like, there's a hunger in my belly. There's a fire in the Tottenham players' belly. We want to go out and show one. Hence why I'm pretty sure we'll go and win that Super Cup, which is another trophy. So hold that. 2 trophies just coming in just like that. You get me? Just come like buses. Don't be surprised, bro. Don't be surprised if Tottenham pick up the major of majors this coming season. Remember, my manager said, even though I don't trust him, season 3 is always better than season 2. In season 3 in Celtic, he done the treble. Hold that.
I don't care about any of these stuff. You want to talk crazy to me.
No, the reason why I care is because you tried to make me care for a Carabao, and the Europa is better than the Carabao.
No, they're all good trophies. You're good. All right, be honest, yeah. Lie to me, yeah, and say if you win the FA Cup, you're not going to celebrate. You don't know when you're going to see a trophy again. Don't forget what club you support because you lifted 1 trophy, bro.
I'm not bothered about the FA Cup, blood. I can't lie.
All right, cool. No problem.
You man can run around for the FA. For me, the FA Cup.
What's a better feeling, lifting a trophy or getting top 4 with Poch?
The FA Cup is equivalent.
What is a better feeling? Don't try and dodge the question. What's a better feeling, lifting a trophy or parading top 4 with Poch?
Obviously, lifting a trophy. But
okay, then. So what are we talking about then?
The 3 FA Cups is equivalent to 1 Euro.
Potts as well for the raid. Big up to Potts, man. Big up, man.
Big up for the damn Ports. Big up damn Ports for the raid. Thanks, bro.
Damn Potts, man. Big up to everyone.
Three FA Cups that you can win, and we're going for the top because there ain't no seconds. I can't distinguish between which one's more important for Spurs, the Prem or the Champions League. For me, it don't matter. Just catch one of them. That's what I'm about. That's what I'm here for. Look, I'm. It's very hard for you, man, to look. Early, let me remind you guys of something. Early in the season, you could advise me. You could, and I was listening, kind of. You can't advise me now, players, because I'm the trophy holder. You get me? I want a trophy.
Oh my days, no, Deji, you're being shameless right now, man. Deji, don't do that. Don't do that. Come on, man. Come on, man. I mean, we're Arsenal fans. We've already admitted that. That you've won this trophy. Come on, man. Don't rub it on our faces, man. Come on, man. Don't do that, bro.
Let me apologize.
Have mercy. Have mercy on us, bro.
All right. Quick question. What are you advising me to do?
I'm advising you to remember.
Did he have to tweak your body to say that? Come on, bro. Did he have to tweak your body in that way to say that? Yeah. Come on, man. What are you doing?
You know what? Yeah, you know what? I'm advising.
Get me trophied up. And my team Houston Rockets. Let's go Rockets. 6 seconds, blood. 6 seconds in the tape. Hold that. Hold that. Let's go.
See ya, Northside.